Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 14th, and this is my analysis for gold, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So on gold, I believe that we're currently in a pullback to the last five waves up. So I think this first push down is an A. I think we're currently in like a wave B, which should be a pullback to the wave A. And then I think eventually we're going to go down for a wave C to at least a 61, maybe 78% Fibonacci retracement. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I think we're very confidently in a wave B. Now a wave B is a correction, which means it's often very overlapping. It could make a very overlapping pattern up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. I would still expect to see some sort of, a three-wave structure, like an ABC structure to this, maybe up to like the 61 and the 78% fib, before it actually continues down to make another five-wave downtrend like this for the bigger wave C. So definitely inside what I think is a wave B right now, which is a very overlapping pattern. So be very careful with that. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.